Sometimes plants show subtle warning signs before a more serious problem develops. One possible factor behind this condition is phytoplasma. Some of the signs you might notice are infected plants develop characteristic symptoms, including small, soft, thin, and deformed leaves that gradually turn pale yellow. In thorny or hairy varieties, plants may become smooth as they lose their natural thorns and hairs. In general, infected plants remain stunted with shorter internodes and petioles while producing an excessive number of roots and side branches. This creates a dense, bushy, broom-like appearance, which gives the disease its name, dragon's broom. Flower structures become abnormal and are almost unable to produce fruit, with flowers sometimes developing into leaf-like structures. Developing fruits may become hard and tough and fail to ripen properly. As the disease advances, newly formed leaves may reach only about 1/3 to 1/4 of the size of normal leaves. This issue may develop due to factors like the symptoms described above are caused by a parasitic organism known as a phytoplasma, which is similar to bacteria. The pathogen is mainly spread from plant to plant by insect vectors, particularly certain leafhopper species, including the gray leafhopper, Times Hishamonnus physitis. The disease can affect plants at different stages of development. You can start with gentle or natural methods such as beneficial insects can help reduce insect populations that may contribute to disease spread. Predatory insects such as lacewings and other natural enemies can feed on pest eggs and immature stages, helping maintain a healthier balance in the field. If needed, stronger treatments may include, in all cases, consider combining preventive measures with appropriate biological control methods. Insecticides such as thiamethoxam, acetamiprid, thiocyclame, and malathion may be used to manage insect vectors responsible for spreading the disease where permitted and according to local agricultural guidelines. To help reduce the chances of recurrence, choose disease-resistant varieties, such as Patagonia when available. Avoid planting alternative host plants that may support the pathogen or its insect vectors, including chili or pepper. Maintain adequate spacing between plants, with approximately 90 x 75 centimeters recommended under suitable growing conditions. Adjust planting schedules to avoid periods when disease-carrying insects are most active. Regularly inspect the field for signs of gray leafhopper activity to help detect potential disease transmission early. Remove and properly destroy infected plants as soon as they are identified. Clear susceptible weeds and alternative host plants from around the growing area. Hedge plants can also be used around the field to help reduce direct insect movement into the crop. At the same time, protect natural enemies of gray leafhoppers and other beneficial insects. In general, affected plants may show leaf yellowing, stunted growth, and abnormal leaf development. Fruit production is often reduced or inhibited. Follow for more helpful plant care insights.